Welcome again, people, back to the channel. Alright, just like and share and subscribe. The Trelawny police have taken a woman into custody for questioning in connection with the seizure of an AK-47 rifle, a number of assorted rounds of ammunition and lottery scamming paper that were found at the house where she was occupied in at Wednesday. Reports are that during an operation, members of the police/military team went to a house in Deeside, Trelawny, where they conducted a search. The search yielded an AK-47 rifle with a magazine attached containing 15 rounds of ammunition, 33 7.62 rounds of ammunition, along with 133 leads sheets of paper, 10 exercise books containing identity information of person living overseas. The seized rifle was the third firearm recovered by the police since the start of the year. Last year, the police in the parish recovered 23 illegal firearms in the parish, a big improvement over the 8 guns that were seized there for the previous year.